What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys, it's all about Ankr, which has pumped up just about 8% in the last 24 hours and is currently trading at just above 2 cents. So we're going to be looking at, is now the time to buy it? Is it too late? Or if you're on a profit, is it time to sell it and take out your profits? Or is it simply time to hold on to it before it pumps up even higher over the coming hours, days, weeks and so on? So we are going to cover both buyers and sellers point of view, and also looking at its prediction over the next couple of hours, days, weeks, months and overall in 2023. How high can Ankr go, and is it a crypto worth investing into in 2023? But before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash that subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I am trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So we are currently looking at the Coinbase website. The market is down just about 0.4% in the last 24 hours. However, we do have Ankr as one of the top gainers according to Coinbase, and also Binance as well, as you can see, the fourth top gainer in the last 24 hours. So we can see here in the last hour itself, he managed to gain 3% in value. Over the last day, 9%. Over the week, just about 5%. And over the month, a massive 21%. And we can clearly see that it has been very volatile. Pumped up about 30% about a month ago. Dropped back down, peaked back up, dropped, peaks, so on and so on, up and down. But the overall outcome seems to be on the positive side, which is all that matters. And at the moment, it's looking quite good. So going into the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone up over 280%, making it $54 million in trading, which is again a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Ankr. We're seeing a lot more investors, a lot more sellers, and in general just a lot of people trading it, as it is one of the top gainers. So it is getting a lot of attention, a lot of hype around it, meaning more and more people are looking into the project and also trading the crypto. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart with the MACD indicator, which I'm going to be using to do some price prediction, as I'm pretty sure that's what most of you guys are here for. So we are currently looking at the daily chart, and at the top here we've got the purple line running across the chart, which is the SMA indicator, giving us the average value of Ankr, which is here in purple at 0.02499 cents. However, it is actually trading at a much higher value here in red at 0.02748 cents, meaning it's performing quite well and much better than expected. So let's zoom in into the 30-minute chart for those short-term traders, and then I'll move on to the hourly, daily and weekly chart for the long-term investors like myself. But before I do that, guys, as usual, just a little disclaimer. This is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So zooming into the 30-minute chart, what do we have here? We do have the blue and the orange line looking quite bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, they are looking quite steep, guys, meaning it's not realistic. The only reason why it's looking so steep is because of the major increase that's taken place over the last couple of hours. The graph thinks, you know what, this crypto is going to keep pumping, it's going to keep going up in value, just like how it's been. However, that is not the case. I'm not expecting it to pump up like it has been, but I'm expecting minimal increases in value, potentially heading just above 0.028 cents is what I'm expecting over the next 12 to 14 hours. And again, do expect red candles in between as well, where it's likely to take a little bit of a step back, a little bit of a drop in between, but do expect more green candles as well. So an overall increase in value is what I'm expecting from Ankr over the next 12 to 14 hours. So towards the end of the day today and early hours of tomorrow, I'm expecting Ankr to be trading at a slightly higher value than where it is at the moment. Now, moving on to the hourly chart, next couple of days, again looking the exact same as the previous chart. We do have the blue and the orange line looking very bullish, heading towards a positive direction. However, it is still looking quite steep, meaning it's not realistic. So guys, At this moment in time, I am expecting an increase in value from Ankr over the next 6 to 7 days. So let's say towards the end of next week, I'm expecting Ankr to have gone for an overall increase in value. However, nothing crazy, nothing too major, potentially hitting just above 3 cents is what I'm expecting. But again, that doesn't mean that it's going to be consistently hitting green days over the next 7-8 days. Of course not. It is likely to hit red days in between as well, up and down, quite volatile. But the overall outcome seems to once again be more on the positive side rather than the negative side. But just because I'm saying it's going to move towards a positive direction, it doesn't mean it's going to be a major pump or a major increase or anything like that. It is going to be a minimal increase in value, potentially heading just above the 3 cents target. Now, moving on to the daily chart, next couple of weeks, now we're looking much more realistic. As you guys can clearly see, it's not looking as steep as the previous two charts. It's just about slanting towards a positive direction, meaning this is realistic. So over the next 6 to 8 weeks, guys, so mid to late September 2023, I am expecting an overall increase in value from Ankr, potentially heading above the 5 cents target. 5 to 6 cents is what I'm expecting in September from Ankr, if the crypto market manages to move in a positive direction. That is including Bitcoin, if it does manage to hover around the $35,000 mark. However, it is cryptocurrency. Any little thing or any little news can have a major impact on the crypto market. But if there are such things that can have an impact either in a positive or negative direction, I will of course keep you guys updated on as much as I can and as soon as I can on my Instagram page and on my YouTube channel as well. So make sure you guys stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. But so far so good for Ankr over the short term and the long term as well. Again, if you see a little red candlestick here and there in between, that is part of the process. It is absolutely normal. It's not going to be consistently hitting green candles. But again, over the next couple of months, I'm expecting an overall increase in value. And potentially towards the very end of the year, I'm expecting Ankr to be hitting the 10 cents target. If again, the crypto market manages to move in a positive direction, that is including if Bitcoin manages to pump up over $45,000, which we hopefully should see. Again, we got a good 5.5 months left for the end of the year, so hopefully the rest of the year we can stay on the green side. But yeah, these are my takes and my predictions on Ankr, guys. What I want you guys to do now is let me know in the comment section down below, are you guys expecting Ankr to be hitting the 10 cents target this year? If so, comment down below when you guys are expecting this, or what is the highest figure you guys are expecting Ankr to hit in 2023. Let me know in the comment section down below. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. I just want to say a massive thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form, and especially all the subscribers out there. Thank you guys so much, as it helps me out a lot and means a lot to me, as I am trying to hit 100k by the end of the year. And at the end of the day, guys, it is free to subscribe, so why don't you go down and smash that subscribe button and like the video. And if you guys do have any other cryptocurrencies in mind that you guys want me to focus or cover on this channel, comment them down below as well, and I'll catch all of you guys in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today or tomorrow. Until then, take care and peace.